How to turn off iPhone is too close. Hello everyone, I am Bishaka and welcome to our channel. Now let's get right into the tutorial. Firstly, go ahead and launch the settings application on your device and scroll down and tap on the screen time option you see there. Further, go ahead and tap on the screen distance option and then go ahead and toggle off the toggle button for screen distance, and with this you will no longer receive the iPhone is too close alert on your iPhone. So this was about how you can turn off iPhone is too close alert. If you find this tutorial helpful, please like the video and do comment if you have any queries. Also, do subscribe to our channel for more helpful tutorials like this. See you on the next one.